we are on the onset of a boom where you see a lot of technologies coming in, and like I have always said, that technology is increasingly becoming democratic, and that is just fueling it. You have numerous technologies, which can actually play a big role in information security.
Be aware like how your data is utilized and how your data is used for what purpose. So that's why this regulatory requirement is coming and like providing the compliance requirement for the technology, for the technological and organizational base. So we have to take. It's not about the organization only. The individual also have to take a security and privacy measures on a day-to-day life.
Cybersecurity is anyways most evolving industry that we are aware of, because we have to be, we try to be ahead of the threat factors or possible hackers who are trying to get into a system or a data. So the industry is changing at very high speed with AI and a lot of other changes that we see around every sector.
It's very important that we restrict ethical use of AI. Other hand, AI is going to boost the cybersecurity and elevate it to the next level.
We are looking at adversarial attacks also using AI technology. At the same time, we as cybersecurity professionals can leverage it to protect ourselves much better. All the products, cybersecurity products, technologies also should leverage AI going forward, and that is the most exciting part, because the kind of challenges it brings together for the cybersecurity community as well as the overall technology community, that seems to be very, very challenging.